Apple Foldables is coming. So as you all know, Apple has taken a decision to switch from Lightning port to the USB Type-C port for all the Apple devices that still use Lightning mode, including the iPhone. And given that, it's a wonderful decision because Type-C is good for charging standards and also good for fast charging capabilities. And Apple is now, it seems, testing EPD, which is nothing but electronic paper displays, which uses e-ink to display content like Kindle. This piece of information is coming from the same person who tweeted about Apple switching from Lightning to Type-C. And it seems that Apple is currently testing EPDs for one of their mainstream devices, which is going to come in the next couple of years. And when we talk about mainstream devices, it's mostly something to do with foldables, because that is what all the media outlets are talking about when this news broke out from the tweet of Ming-Chi Kuo. Well, first of all, why EPDs? And for that, you need to know how EPD works. So EPD uses the same ink that we use in our pens, but in a different form. So basically, there'll be small capsules which charged ink. When the proper charge is applied, there will be a highly detailed image with good contrast ratio and readability. This is how EPDs work. And this technology is mainly used to save power. And not only that, it's very good for our eyes. So like Kindle, this is going to be something to do with foldable devices is what all the media outlets are talking about. So the next question which quickly comes to our mind when talking about Apple testing EPDs for their foldables, will they use it? If you ask me, I think Apple is testing EPDs for some of their accessories for iPad and iPhone. Have you seen the flip cover of Samsung smartphones which has displays? Probably Apple is trying to do something like that with the EPDs for their iPad flip covers or iPhone flip covers for the upcoming generation of their products. And I don't think that EPDs will be used as displays for foldables because EPDs generally don't display color output. And if Apple is trying to develop something really new with EPDs, then probably there is a chance for them to use this as a display for their foldable device. But the promising tweet from Ming-Chi Kuo can't be denied because according to him, EPDs are being tested by Apple to use it as an integral part of their mainstream product. So it can be either an additional display for an iPhone or an iPad, or it can be the so-called speculated foldable device. We actually don't know how Apple is thinking about using EPDs, but this is for sure given the reliability of the source from where it's coming in, because Ming-Chi Kuo is one of the leading Apple analysts in the market right now, and whatever that he talks about Apple and the devices and the upcoming things that Apple is working on has been proven correct. So I think Apple's decision to test EPDs to use it in their mainstream product might be something to do with Apple Foldables or iPhone Foldables or any foldable device that Apple is trying to develop. Finally, what do you guys think about Apple testing EPDs? Comment on your opinion in the comment section below. Will they use it for their foldables or will they develop an accessory for their mainstream product with EPDs? All your thoughts in the comment section below. What I think is they will use this EPDs as an accessory for one of their current devices. If Ming-Chi Kuo's tweet is accurate, then we will get to know more about Apple's EPD development and all those stuff. So share this video with all of your friends and like this video if you really enjoyed watching it. And by the way, you know the drill what to do. Most of you see my video, doesn't subscribe, and it's simple. Turn the red color subscribe button into gray and that's it. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.